27 different words which start with the letter L. This is how the alphabet L looks like in uppercase. And now let's have a quick look at the word list for the day. L for leaf, leaf. L for lotus, lotus. L for lily, lily. L for lemon, lemon. L for lollipop, lollipop. L for lemonade, lemonade. L for lion, lion. L for lamp, lamp. L for llama, llama. L for ladybug, ladybug. L for lobster, lobster. L for lizard, lizard. L for lantern, lantern. L for lamp, lamp. L for leg, leg. L for lips, lips. L for lipstick, lipstick. L for laptop, laptop. L for lock, lock. L for lid, lid. L for lunchbox, lunchbox. L for ladder, ladder. L for lawnmower, lawnmower. L for land, land. L for lake, lake. L for lighthouse, lighthouse. And lastly, L for locomotive, locomotive. Yay! And that brings us to the end of this lesson. Now you know so many different words which start with the letter L. For more fun videos like this, be sure to check out the other videos on our channel. You can find the links available in the description box below. See you again tomorrow. Bye-bye for now. And if you like our videos, be sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel, Peach Peanut Poppy.